big woodpeckers for up here. They don't get no bigger than that up here. Hold the camera still. It's a woodpecker over there on Mary's tree. Seen him this morning, bright and early. And I was hoping he'd come back. Now folks, you ever seen the woodpeckers down south? They're 2.5 times more bigger than that woodpecker. I'm not saying we got bigger woodpeckers down south, we just do. Has something to do with the climate, I guess. I don't know. He's just going on up the trees. But for up here, whoop, there he goes. He's up in that tree now. There he goes. But that's a big woodpecker for Iowa that I know of. That's the biggest one I've seen up there. That's a male. You can tell by the red head. I haven't seen the females with them like that. But yeah. And you can hear him pecking away at that tree. Alrighty. This is Wolfie. We love watching the birds. Always have for years. Sitting in the deer stands and watching the birds and the animals. We just love animals. Y'all be safe out there. Stay warm.